Hi guys, so I'm Elena, and today I'll be talking about the phylogeny and biogeography of the parrot genus Prioniturus, Aves Psittaciformes. So the parrot genus Prioniturus occurs in the oceanic Philippines, Palawan, and Valencia, a geologically dynamic region with a complex history of land and sea. The described taxa of Prioniturus have been variously placed in different assemblages, and different numbers of species have been recognized. So insular biota have played an important role in the formulation of evolutionary, biogeographic, and ecological theory in the past. The insular part of Southeast Asia is usually divided into three biogeographic zones of Sundaland. So where's Sundaland? Sundaland is Malay Peninsula, Borneo, and Java. Then Sumatra and Palawan. Is Palawan over here. The Philippines is over here. And Valencia. Okay, so what is Valencia? There's a Valles line. Can you see? Valles line. So anything beneath, which is the Sulawesi. Yes. So this is the insular part of Southeast Asia. So Valencia plays an important role in the biotic exchange between the Australian Asian and the Indo-Malayan regions. So Australia, yeah, I can say Australia and Asia. Yes. And while fauna and flora of Sundaland are still clearly uh, of Asian origin, Wallasey harbors a mix of Asian and Australian fauna and flora, and this can be considered as a transitional area between these biota. So, as implied by the English name racket-tailed parrots, the Prioniturus is characterized by elongated central tail, and also the feathers formed by bare shafts widening to spatulate tips. The aim of present-day study was to establish a phylogenetic hypothesis of Prioniturus using genetic sequence data and to test whether traditional groupings based on morphology are confirmed by molecular data. On this basis of the phylogenetic hypothesis, we reconstructed dispersal and colonization patterns of Prioniturus and within Valencia and the Philippines. So based on the morphological features, you can see there's a difference, which you can see that clade 1 over here, you have 5 species, which occupies and inhabits Sulawesi, and clade 2, you can see it's Palawan and Philippines, and for clade 3 is a bigger group lah, of the birds, which occupies the Sulawesi and also the Philippines. Yeah, the different subspecies were revealed not to only form a monophyletic entity. Yes, so this is how they are dispersed out, and this result actually does support what we analyzed lah. This one, so it's actually pretty interesting. So the parrot genus Prioniturus has evolved in a geologically dynamic region whose complex history of land and sea has created multiple opportunities for allopatric speciation. And other bird groups in the same area also have revealed a complicated pattern of multiple colonization events between the different island groups. You can see this. Wow, there are exchange and dispersal to Sulawesi, to Palawan, and also the Sulu archipelago. So at the time of emergence of Prioniturus, the margin of North Australia approached Sulawesi and the Halmahera arc, which is you can see. Okay, where is it? Okay, Australia is over here, Sulawesi over here. They were so far apart. Like when the parts of Philippines were located also further south than today, an initial colonization of the Philippines, followed by a colonization of the region of Sulawesi, and the colonization also from Palawan, it could be possible. So the dispersal between these two regions, which is the Sulawesi and Philippines, it could be possibly be facilitated by island hopping over the Sangihe Taulat Islands, but it's really rare actually. Yes, so also the taxa that occur in sympatry and belong to the two different major clades, which is P. leucanensis and also P. montanus and P. discretus. they could be probably ecologically separated by different habitats or altitudinal zones. These are all assumptions, actually, but it shows different colonizations from Philippines and Palawan and also Sulawesi. So this is my video about the dispersal and colonization of the Prioniturus parrots. Thank you.